If you are a trader, then watch this before your next trade. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I'll cover for you all the lists that you can see the right side of the screen from here. DXY, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Last week, thankfully, the war has stopped. And this has changed the structure a little. I'll cover this for you step by step, wave by wave. But again, before we start, guys, all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. So for this one, we'll start with the DXY. This is the daily chart, by the way, guys, as you can see here, and we are using TradingView as a charting platform. So for this, most of you remember this 110. I'm repeating this one, guys, because the structure actually kept moving all the way from here to 97. So from 110 to 97, this was something crazy, right? Of course, a lot of you should remember this one, especially our members and those who are following us since the past few months or even more than that. But for this, again, market dropped. We've got this up wave, drop, up, and then now I'll jump to the 4 hours to cover for you the structure in detail. So for this one, due to the war, we said dollar will push to the upside. So the forecast was toward the upside, and we said to you last week, market push to the upside from here, or even if market will break this though, market should push to the upside. This was due to war, and the war has stopped. That's why the structure has been falling. Usually dollar will get stronger once we have uncertainty, or whenever we have uncertainty. So for this one, the war has stopped and the dollar was falling. We've got a corrective structure drop, and then now what's happening, we are getting another corrective structure. So in terms of the structure, in terms of where the market is going next, do not think that because market has fallen that much, we have to go to the upside. It's not the case. We usually look for the structures, we look for waves. So for this one, what we can see is a corrective structure here, just to show you, again, is a corrective structure, one more drop before the next up wave. So for the dollar, for the DXY, I can see one more fall before the next up wave. So anytime market will give us this drop, if you get a buy setup, you should go for it. Or I would say, we will go for it, okay? So for this one, why I'm saying this one more drop here? Because of the structure. So we've got this up wave. This is the A wave of the next structure, just to show you and explain you in detail so you know what we are seeing here. After that, market started to fall. We've got this drop. We've got this up wave, drop, corrective structure drop, and this is the next up wave for the running flat in the middle. And after that, market started to fall. Everything, guys, falls into the structures. Okay, so again, as I always say, news causes volatility in the market, but that volatility, I would say, like everything is planned. In other means, the structure, I would say the market always follow a certain direction defined by the structure. So if you know how to read the structure correctly, which means the waves here, the wave analysis, if you know how to read them correctly, you will know where the market is going next with a high probability chance. Of course, no one can be right 100% of the time, and that should not be your goal anyway. Your goal is to make money from the next wave, and that's what we teach you inside We Trade Waves Pro, all right? Anyway, I'll cover this for you shortly, but just to cover what's next for DXY, so you know what to do and you know how to stay on the right side of the trade, okay? So for this one, corrective structure. After this drop, we've got a correction drop. Corrective structure drop is what we are expecting next, and after this fall, any buy setup we get, we will go for it. I'm repeating my words. Any buy setup. So without the buy setup, we'll not go for the buy. Okay? Again, our expectations, our forecast, our bias is one more fall before the next up wave. All right, guys? That's regarding the XY, and that's the structure in detail. Now, for this one, I think that's clear for you. And regarding this one, which wave to trade, it's up to you. If you want to scalp this to the downside, you can go for it. And if you want to wait for this one to break and you get a buy setup, you go for the buy as well. It's up to you. For us, we might trade both of them. Okay? Now, Euro dollar, before I jump to Euro dollar, I want to show you, as usual, what we have done last week. Because again, even the structure has changed. A lot of our members were able to make money. And I'm showing you these success stories every single week. Again, guys, I would say the resolution for the forecast, this actually has changed, and hopefully this will be better for you. Some of you were asking if I can change this to a white background. We have done a poll in the past. For you, if you cannot watch this actually clearly, watch it on a laptop or an iPad or on a PC. It will be better for you. And of course, amend the settings for 4K for best resolution. All right. Again, this is the Discord community. This is actually the success stories section. And this Discord community, as soon as you join WTW Pro, you will get access to this one from day one straight away. Okay. So again, this is last week. As you can see, this is June 22nd, just in the last 7 days. This is what I was doing, guys, since the past few months, inside this one. This is our official YouTube channel. You can watch our, I would say you can find all our official links in the description under this video, in the first comment, or on our website, which is wtedwaves.com. Okay, so for this one, if you scroll down, everything is public, guys. Okay, you go and you watch all these videos if you can, and especially if you are new, just to know our high accuracy, how we are forecasting the market, and what the market was doing anyway. So back to the success stories. For this one, Kunal, last Sunday, he has actually, I'll say, he posted this growth graph. So again, it's not one trade. We are not showing you just green profits, or just, we are not selling you any dream. We are showing you the proof. This is called social proof, and this just to show you how our members are succeeding big time on a weekly basis. So again, this is actually the graph, and this is actually the profits. Well done, Kunal. You are doing a great job. All the way down to Carl as well. Carl was able to make profits with this one, with this trade. Look at this one, 2.4K. It's not small, guys. So I would say some of you might be living for this one for 1 month, all right? So again, for this one, Robsy as well, look at this one. I want you guys to read this, honestly. Read it so you know it might be your story. And I want to show you something just to show you why it's important to join the right mentors and join a successful trading community. First of all, trading is lonely business. Without you being with a supportive community, you will fall, because one single move, one single, I would say, wrong trade might wipe your account. Again, Rob C was actually doing great job as well. Look at this one, and I want to show you this because this is very important. I'll tell you why. Look at this one. So Rob Z was able to make this all the way from here to here, 20%, then this drop, and then from here all the way up. Now we'll reach out to Rob C just to see why we have got this. Is it over risking? Is it over trading? So we can help him fix this one to not get this anytime again. This one, this drop. You get me? So it's not only just we are watching, just we are giving you the recorded course and that's it. No, you have actually the support from us. You have the follow up, and then anytime you need us, you can reach out and then we'll help you. Either me or T. I'll show you this one, by the way. This is the About Us page. This is who we are. Our mission is to help you become independent, successful trader. This is our website. Again, look at this one. You can check here. It's wtedwaves.com. And if you click the About Us page, just to show you this. So look at this one. Read this. Actually, our mission. Most of you have tried us. You know what I'm talking about. All the way down, we have as well the seniors, the moderators as well with us, just to help us run WTW Waves and have this powerful, amazing, best trading community. Again, the results is here. All the way down, just to show you more. Again, more profits for this one. All the way down, I'll show you this. Mark, he passed this funded trade challenge. And you know, like, to pass a challenge, you need to have the skills. And that skills you can get inside WTW Waves. I'm showing you guys the success stories every single week just for you to know and see who we really are, who WTW Waves are. Again, we are the best. Just to give you the fast and simple answer, we are the best in this industry. All the way down to Tor. Look at this one. We are not showing you any just one trade. We are not cherry picking. We are showing you the growth graph for our members. For us, we are making money. We have shown you this more than once, and most of you know that anyway. And we are showing you our members what they are doing. If you want to join any community, you have to see what the members are doing inside. Are they successful? Yes or no. If they are not, if there is no proof for that, leave and run away, because this guy, he might be just cherry picking some of the results, showing you actually these ones and sending you whatever he wants to sell. So for this one, look at this. This is Store again. He was actually making to make these profits. It's very nice. Like, really speaking, this is impressive. All the way down to Abdel Nasir. Even actually the move was not moving. I would say the market was not moving as expected for him. He was able to make 2% in this week, which is again not small, guys. All right. So again, all the way down, more profits. We will be coming step by step, wave by wave, all the way to the new profits every single week. Okay. Again, those of you who don't know, once you go to this one, to outside the homepage, if you want to join us, you can go to this one here, and you can see actually this WTW Pro membership. Why this important? Because again, this includes everything. Of course, you can start with this as a starting package if you'd like to, but everything is covered in here. And like I said to you before, WTW basic course is here now. It's new. It has been added new now. And if you go to the dashboard, which is this one, once you join, you'll get access to the dashboard. Of course, everything is inside this. Okay. So this is the basic course, just to show you before I go to your dollar. This is the basic course. These are the chapters, of course, in detail. This is needed for every single beginner. So if you want to jump from beginner to the advanced level from A to Z, the solution now is WTW Pro for you. Okay. all the way down to the masterclass course as well. All the chapters are here, and this will be updated anyway shortly. I'll say in the next few months or next few weeks. Again, the monthly Q&A session, all these ones, you can find them here as the advanced part of Heated Waves, the daily sessions, the weekly session with team. So everything is all in one solution for our members to get everything they want to succeed in trading the next wave. You get me, guys? So everything, it's inside Heated Waves, the link in the description under this video and in the first comment as well, if you like to join. Euro dollar for this one, market was pushing to the upside again. We've got this corrective structure, up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up, and then one more push up is very possible before the next drop. Remember, guys, we are on the last wave of the last wave. It's up to you if you want to trade it or not. But again, if you are a scalper, you might make money trading this up wave if you have the setup. Of course, do not jump in and just getting in blindly, over risking, over trading just to get into this one. That's why, guys, you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Learning is a must for you if you want to succeed in trading and become an independent, successful trader. Jumping from strategy to strategy, from channel to channel, from mentor to mentor will not help you at all. You have to focus. You have to know who are actually the successful people. And of course, check this Trustpilot of anyone before joining them. All right. So go to this one if you would like to. Check the Trustpilot, guys, of any member, of any mentor, of anyone that you want to follow or you want to really join. This is our Trustpilot profile, by the way. Okay. This is here. And you can see we're rated excellent on Trustpilot. And again, you can read all these ones if you'd like to. Back to your dollar, back to the forecast. For this one more push up is very possible before the next drop. Okay. Will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be covered by T tomorrow during the Sunday session at 12 p.m. UK time. And again, what is covered? This is what we cover on every single Sunday session. You should not miss this one, guys, because again, you'll be missing a lot. Most of you know what we cover. And in case you don't know, you can join, try us for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. Again, euro dollar for this one more push up before the next fall. This is what I can see. Okay, which wave to trade is up to you. Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same. One more push up is very possible here, like this, before the next drop. Alan, is this up move needed for the structure? No, it's not. This is based on the DXY structure. It's showing us one more fall. And if DXY will have one more fall, this will push to the upside. Alan, can this fall to the downside like that and you be wrong? Of course, I'm not controlling the market. I'm forecasting the next wave based on weighted waves, wave analysis concept. I can be right and I can be wrong. Now, the point is, if I'm right, most of our members will make money, will make a lot of money. And if I'm wrong, they'll be making small loss. That's the power of knowing how to trade the next wave. But before you trade the next wave, you need a correct bias. From where do you get that? From weighted waves. Guys, wave analysis is working. There's no question about that. It's just the problem is you. Either you believe in it or not. If you don't believe, join, try to learn it the right way, and then after that you decide. Just staying out and judging, this will not help you a lot. We are making money, you are not. If you want to make money, join and you'll be able to make money with us. You get me? Anyway, pound dollar, what I can see here is one more push up before the next drop. This can be a bigger structure, no problem, but one more push up before the next fall. This fall should be big and we'll be able to make a lot of money from it if market gives us what we want. Again, which wave to trade is up to you. One push up, another drop is what we can see next. Gold, market was falling because again, the war has stopped and we have updated you anyway during the Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday update, daily sessions. Again, on every single channel that we can, we're updating you, our members, of course. So for this one, market dropped. It gave us a corrective structure. Of course, on the Wednesday update, we gave you the update for this one. After the completion of this corrective structure, of course, we have this one as well. We've got one more drop. Alan, what after this one? We have a deal between China and US now, and the war has stopped. Can we see gold falling like that? We don't think so. So after this one, what I can see now is actually gold to give us an up wave, basically. All right. This up wave, it can be corrective or impulsive. In all the cases, for gold, I'm a buyer. Okay. Anytime market gives me a buy setup, I will go for it. If you are in the sell, you manage your trade. If you are not in, if you get a buy setup, you should go for it. Again, do not follow me blindly and just over risk, overtrade the next wave. And if you lose, you come back later and you blame us. This is not how it works, guys. Okay. We are giving you the bias. You trade your own strategy. If you don't have one, you must join and learn. And then inside you will see everything. Aussie dollar for this one, again, one push up is very possible before the next drop. One push up and then another drop will be coming. So for Aussie dollar, guys, as you can see, market is not moving as impulsive as it should be. This is just, it's losing momentum, and this is some sort of curving pattern. Weighted waves members, you know what I'm talking about as a curving pattern. After this upwave, another fall will be coming. This what we can see. This what we know how the structure usually move and how the market usually moves. What I can see, guys, is something similar to this one, just to be precise. Up, corrective structure up, and then another drop. This is exactly what the market have done here, and I'm expecting the same thing to happen here as well. It's not the history repeats itself, but once you master wave analysis, you will see that patterns repeats over and over again. Your job is to know how to read that patterns and how to take advantage if the pattern play out the way that you want. That's what we teach you. You get me, guys? So for that, that's what we can see for Aussie dollar. New Zealand dollar, for this one, exactly same thing. Want to push up before the next drop. Again, the levels, the trades of the week will be shared tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. You should not miss the Sunday session, guys. It's very important because again, it's so rich. 2 hours covering everything. Fundamentals, news event, geopolitics, and all the charts, majors, minors, commodities, crypto, and your questions as well, and the stocks. These sort of sessions, you cannot find them anywhere, to be honest. I'm not talking about what we cover. I'm talking about actually the precision of what we are giving you. Okay? So again, for this one, push up for another fold. This is what we can see next for New Zealand dollar. Dorian, for this one, again, we were actually forecasting every single wave. This up wave, most of you remember it. It was perfect from here to here and all the way up one more time. And again, after this up wave, we said market will be falling. Corrective structure drop, and now market is correcting. I do believe one more fall will be coming before the next up wave. So dollar yen, one more drop. If we get a sell setup, we'll go for the sell. This should be a good trade, and again, we'll maximize profits here if we can. Weighted members, you execute, guys, the add to winning position strategies that you know. And after that, you should be able to make a lot of money if market will be falling here to break this low. And then after that, we will update you. Dollar Swiss, for this one, I was expecting this to push to the upside, to be honest, but market was falling due to the dollar weakness and Swiss strength. So for this one, we've got this up wave, drop up, again, same structure for this drop. What is happening here, Alan? The structure is changing. For what? This up wave will be coming, no question. Anytime we get a buy setup, we'll go for it, but this up wave will not be an impulsive wave to go all the way up to break this one and this one. The structure will be changing. It will be complex, but again, I'll not explain the details, guys, just to be fair for weighted waves, right? So for this one, all what I can say to you is this will be pushing to the upside. If you get a buy setup, you should go for it, all right? DORCAT, for this one, market actually is correcting, one push up, and again, this should push to the upside, guys, right? One more time. If you're in the buy, you manage your trade, and then you let the market unfold. You should be in the buy because you know that we're expecting DORCAT to push to the upside. Most of you know that, and this is one of the trades as well. So for this, up, pull back, another push up is what we can see next. USOIL, for this one, again, we're expecting this to push to the upside due to the war here. But again, because the war changed, the war actually has stopped, everything has changed, and this was falling to the downside. So for this one now, what's next? Up is the move. This can be corrective or impulsive. I'm expecting this to push to the upside, and then after that, we'll update you. Bitcoin, for this one, market actually has put to the upside after you broke this low. And like I said to you, once we get this break, the structure has changed. For what, Alan? This can push to the downside again, guys. We can get a fall once more. I have explained this in detail. And if this will be falling, you should not miss the buy under this low. If we get this, guys, either as corrective structure or as a drop, the buy is still toward the upside. I'm just analyzing between the structures, okay? So if this will be a running flat and market will fall to the downside to break this low once more, do not miss this buy under this low for Bitcoin, all right? Yeah, 30 market again. Most of you remember we said this is bullish, especially after market breaks this low, this top here. We were actually, we knew that this will push to the upside to break this top once more. Okay, again, it's not about only trend following structure. It's not that basic. It's not that simple. You need to read the structure in detail. And this is the structure that we were saying before. Okay, so up, corrective structure up, one will push up, and then after that, this will be falling. Okay. After this up wave, I'm expecting this to drop once more after one will push up. Anytime market will give you a sell setup, you should go for it because this up wave will give us a corrective structure sooner or later. All these details, guys, with the levels, with more structures, with more pairs, with more assets will be covered tomorrow by T during the Sunday session for weighted waivers. In case you want to join, the link in the description under this video in the first comment, and of course you can look at our website, which is wtedwaves.com. With that note, guys, you trade with care, and I see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.